Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. I hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to make a beautiful decor using paper rolls and bases of cake, which is very easy to do but very effective. So shall we see the materials required? To make the paper roll, start rolling the paper from one corner, but while rolling, make sure to roll it very tight, means without leaving the paper loose. For detailed tutorial, you may please watch my video number 23. For that, link is given in description box. To make the easel, you may call it a painting stand also, we need 8 paper rolls, but first we will make 6 paper rolls to make the triangle. After making the paper rolls, trim the soft edges. To give more strength to the stand, we will stick 2 paper rolls together using Fevicryl fabric glue. I took the length of long paper rolls as 12 inches and small paper rolls 5.5 inches. Just to have an idea, I am giving the measurements. You can make however big or small you want. Now leave the paper rolls for some time till they stick properly. Using Fevicryl fabric glue, stick the long paper rolls and the small paper rolls in such a way as you are seeing in the video. Seal the top joint of the triangle using M-seal, as this joint is weak in spite of sticking with glue. As the M-seal will be very much visible, try to give a good shape instead of just putting a lump, and make it look neat as much as possible, and smoothen it well using talcum powder. As I mentioned, we need 8 paper rolls to make the stand, 6 for the triangle and 2 for the supporter of the triangle. I placed supporter under M-seal and made it stand. Well, it worked, but to avoid accidental fall, I placed more M-seal to provide proper space for the supporter. To make it visible clearly for you all, I am using white M-seal here. So this M-seal acts as a stopper for the supporter. So the stand is ready. It's time to paint the stand now. Here I am using Fevicryl acrylic color. Give 2 coats of painting, but always remember the second coat will be after the first coat dries up completely. I made 3 stands in 3 different sizes, and just for the information, here are the measurements. The length of long paper rolls, which is sides of the triangle, is 12 inches, and the length of small paper roll is 5.5 inches. That is almost half of the long paper roll. Here I left 2.5 inches from below to stick the small paper roll, and the length of the supporter is 11 inches. That is 1 inch less than the long paper roll. I reduced the lengths of paper rolls to make the smaller stands accordingly. Apply 2 coats of varnish and finish making the stands. These are bases of cake, and I bought 3 bases in 3 different sizes, 6 inches, 7 inches and 8 inches, and to buy them it doesn't cost much. 6 inches one for 6 rupees, 7 inches one for 7, and 8 inches for 8 rupees. So let's see how we are going to use them as a decor. As this side is with gold finish, we will not disturb it. We will paint the other side using acrylic color. Give 2 coats of painting to get even finish, and after 2 coats, this is the final look. We are going to do leaf printing. How many of you tried this when you are small? After searching around so much in my plants, I found two plants with voluminous veins, means thick veins on the leaves. One is Cuban oregano and the other one is Epicea. Many people misunderstand Cuban oregano plant as carom plant, which is commonly known as ajwain in Hindi, and we call it vamu in my mother tongue Telugu. The leaves of this plant have pungent smell and flavor just like carom seeds, but this plant doesn't give carom seeds. Epicea leaf has voluminous veins, but the leaf is not as thick as Cuban oregano. As a child, I did a lot of leaf printing using hibiscus leaf, which used to be a common household plant. So I decided to try oregano and hibiscus leaves in my painting. Apply acrylic color on back side of the leaf using a brush. Now press the painted side of the leaf on paper and gently dab all over the leaf. You don't have to put too much of paint on the leaf. So let's see the result. I feel the print of Cuban oregano leaf is far more clear than the hibiscus leaf, and the veins, the print of the veins is looking beautiful. Now let's start printing on the hardboard which we already painted. Apply white acrylic color on back side of the leaf and press the painted side of leaf on hardboard. Now gently dab all over the leaf. If the paint is very thick, then dilute it with very little water. Otherwise, you can directly take the paint from the bottle and apply on the leaf. Once you place the leaf on the hardboard, then don't change the position of the leaf. Just print randomly on hardboard, leaving little space between leaf prints. Remember, none of the two leaf prints will be similar. In some prints, the paint will be smudged, and in some prints, the impressions of veins will be very less. But don't worry, just go ahead and finish printing. Trust me, it will look amazing in the end. Applying paint on leaf after each print is necessary, but not too much of paint. So this is first layer of printing, and allow it to dry completely. Now coming to the interesting part, take very little blue color on brush, which is background color, and dilute it in water and apply on white leaves. In a way, it is just smudging the light blue paint on white leaf prints. If you see more blue color on any one leaf, just add very little water and smudge it well to get uniform color on all the leaves. You must be wondering why applying this light blue color and smudging all over. Instead of that, we should have done the leaf printing using the light blue color itself. I tell you, this gives a completely different effect to the veins, and you will realize this after 3 layers of printing. So wait and watch. But before going for the second layer of printing, let it dry completely. Coming to the second layer of leaf printing, again apply white color on leaf and print on the hardboard. Here you can overlap the print on blue leaves. Our second layer is done. Now take very little yellow color and dilute with water and smudge it only on white leaves, not on blue leaf prints, and allow it to dry completely before going for third layer. Coming to the third layer, do the leaf printing the same way like second layer. For the third layer, I tried both dark green and light green for the leaves, but I felt dark green is more visible and looking good. Okay, we finished all the 3 layers, but one simple finishing touch is remaining. That is, make some dots using metallic gold color in the plain blue area. Here I am using dot painting tools, but you can use a toothpick or a pen or a pencil, whatever available at home. That's it. We are done with the stands, we are done with the leaf printing. So guys, how did you like the final outcome? Okay, let's go and arrange the stands and paintings together. Hey, wait. Don't forget the final step to give 2 coats of varnish. So this is how you can arrange these stands and the paintings so beautifully, and add some knickknacks whatever available at home. You can always try arranging them in different places in the house. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.